guys, and today we'll be making a Lego vulture droid, and so here are the pieces you'll need. So you first take this piece here, and then take this one as well. Put this in the middle like this. Take two 2x1s, put them on the side like this. And then it should be like this combined, but I don't, so I'm just gonna so you're supposed to make a box as I'm gonna make. So I have a box here. Take a 2x2 with this stud pointing out, like this. And then I'm gonna put on the roof of it, so it'll look like this. Take the 2x2s, put them on the side like this. You want to make the head, take a 2x2, and then one of these pieces, like this. And then take this piece here. You want to take a 2x4, and then these pieces to make a wing. You need to make a pair. It should look like this. And then take these pieces. Sorry, I have the sticker because I don't want to take it off because it'll be a mess. But you need 2 of those. Put them on each side. It'd be easier if you put them on first. Mine is and here you have a complete vulture droid. Hopefully you enjoy.